Hello and welcome to my workshop again. My name is Jacek, and in this short video I just want to make a quick update of upcoming projects. As you already know from my late CNC conversion video, I've disassembled the control of my mini mill. So to make it working again, I ordered these stepper drivers, and I've heard a lot of good things about them. They are rated for 60 volts and 5.6 amp peak. So I ordered two of these, and they will work with these stepper motors. These are 1.89 Newton meters, and they were previously working on my mini mill, but with the Toshiba drivers. So in the next video I will test how they will perform with the hopefully better drivers and slightly higher voltage. And another thing that I've recently bought is this CNC plasma controller. This is the control board, and it comes with a torch height control. So I'm really curious how it will perform, but this will be the long-term project because I need to make a design of a plasma table to incorporate this control. I've already ordered the plasma source, so hopefully the project will start soon. So that's all for today, and stay tuned, subscribe, and thumbs up.